This house in Jamboree Heights was about to explode not too long ago. How a multi-generational family of 6 managed to pile into here is still a mystery to me. In fact, one of my daughters had a doll's house that closely resembles this place. Well, 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 we've turned 70s revolting into modernist chic with some cladding. And we've actually got a defined entrance and a clear pathway to the front door. Gone are the days of any lawn loitering. Let there be light. We're no longer greeted with a dark and dingy entry hall. And these multi-purpose rooms have said goodbye to solitary confinement. It's amazing what the blaze can do. You couldn't swing a cat in here before now, but this brand new bathroom is so spacious. I think we could fit the whole Somerville clan in here. Nothing like a family conference in the lavatory. Some clever styling, paint and new flooring has made this an ideal room for lounging. Even more inviting is this delightful balcony. What a great spot to cast your eyes over the general public from the privacy of your own home. A Barbie amongst the kennels has never been my cup of tea. Good to see the pool fence has been brought up to scratch. Nothing but safety first in this family-friendly backyard. This house has gone from teeny tiny to bright and breezy. Downstairs has come out of the doldrums, quite literally, so now I can breathe a sigh of relief. My minions have successfully completed their tasks, so now it's my turn to show them how it's done. Fingers crossed for a sale.